my blue and white oriental table escape. I didn't have enough collection of the blue and white, but I used what I had and I thought it was so beautiful, the blue and white. And I just used my imagination and add things to it. And I think I came up with a solution that it's going to be okay. I made something different with the napkins, what I see a lot of different on YouTube, but I want to do a little flower inside of my plate over the charger, and I just put the silverware, just random, eat as you go. It's a spoon, a knife, a salad fork, dinner fork, whatever. And I hope you enjoy the view.